Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
If you need absolute lip sync, use merge clips with audio as the only reliable method. Premiere Pro analyzes waveforms to align camera and recorder audio automatically. This process handles drift and varied sample rates without manual nudging. It combines multiple tracks into one merged clip for simple timeline editing. You get a single media item that maintains sync even when trimming and moving. This approach beats manual alignment for interviews, dialogue, and event footage every time. Start by selecting the camera clip and the separate recorder audio in the project panel. Right-click the selection and choose Merge Clips from the context menu. In the Merge Clips dialog, choose Audio as the synchronization point and confirm. Premiere Pro will analyze waveforms and create a new merged clip automatically. If your recorder is higher quality, check Remove Audio from AV Clip to keep only the external track. Use the merged clip in your sequence for perfect synced playback. If Merge Clips fails to sync, trim any lead-in silence from either file before trying again. Small mismatches happen when recorders add silence or cameras start earlier. For stubborn drift, manually set an offset in the dialogue or align a clear transient like a clap. Keep a backup of the original media before removing camera audio or linking tracks. Finally, relink or remerge after major edits to preserve sync across different sequences and exports for consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.